Hello, Jake. Can I sit here, or is this seat taken?
Hey, Sophie. No, it's free. Go ahead.
Thanks. Do you usually sit here in the middle?
Yeah, I think it's the best spot. Not too close to the front and not too far back. What about you?
I usually sit in the front row. I feel like I can concentrate better there.
That makes sense. But don't you feel nervous sitting so close to the teacher?
Sometimes, but it helps me stay focused. What about the back row? Have you ever sat there?
I have, but it's too distracting. People are always chatting or looking at their phones.
True. It can be hard to hear the teacher from back there, too.
Exactly. Do you think where we sit really affects how we learn?
Definitely. When I sit in the front, I participate more and pay attention. What about you?
I agree. Sitting in the middle feels balanced for me. I can see the board clearly, but I don't feel like I'm under pressure.
That's a good point. Do you ever sit with friends in class?
Not often. When I do, we end up talking too much and not paying attention. What about you?
Same here. I usually sit alone if I want to focus.
So, do you take notes during class?
Always. I write down everything important the teacher says. How about you?
I take notes too, but I prefer typing them on my laptop. It's faster for me.
That's a good idea. Do you ever review your notes after class?
Yes, I try to. Reviewing helps me remember better. What about you?
I review them every evening. It keeps everything fresh in my mind.
That's smart. Do you ever ask questions during class?
Sometimes, but only if I'm really confused. I feel shy asking questions in front of everyone. What about you?
I used to feel the same way, but now I ask questions whenever I need help. It's better than staying confused.
That's true. I'll try to ask more questions next time.
You should. Teachers usually appreciate it when students participate.
You're right. Well, the teacher's coming in now. Let's focus.
Good idea. See you after class, Sophie.
See you later, Jake.